The secret that renowned jewelers keep under 7 locks. You will never toss silver away again. This tip is for you, passionate about silver pieces. If you have any items at home, be it a chain, rings, wedding ring, or cutlery that are tarnished, and you gave up using them thinking they were beyond salvation, today I'll be teaching an infallible tip using ingredients that I'm sure you have at home. First, boil enough water to cover your pieces, and then pour it over them. Now we'll use toothpaste. For those who don't know, toothpaste can have a mild abrasive action that helps remove stains and superficial marks from silver, providing a smooth polish and enhancing the piece's shine. After stirring well until the toothpaste dissolves, we'll be using baking soda, which is excellent for neutralizing unpleasant odors. If your silvers have an unpleasant odor due to oxidation, baking soda can help reduce that smell. Just 1 spoonful of salt is enough to eliminate silver oxidation, and to finish, a small piece of aluminum foil. You might be wondering about the aluminum foil, but it has a very important function in this tip. When aluminum foil comes into contact with silver in a specific cleaning solution, an ionic exchange chemical reaction occurs. The combination of these 3 ingredients will create an environment conducive to removing layers of silver oxidation, and after a few minutes, you'll see the result in a brighter appearance. As you can see, the difference is clear. It looks like the silver just came out of the store. Next, we'll dry to show you the final result. Look at the shine of these silvers. It's unbelievable. If you have silver pieces in a precarious situation, just like mine were, I highly recommend that you try this tip. I'm sure you'll also be surprised by the result and never again spend money buying new silvers. Never throw away your silvers when they darken.